Wondered how you can get a hot shower using just the power of the sun? Well, it all starts with a very clever system that captures the sun's energy to heat water. So, let's follow the water's journey, starting right where the magic happens. This panel is the real heart of the system. It's designed to turn sunlight into useful heat. First up is a tough, tempered glass cover. It protects everything inside while letting sunlight stream in. Inside, a dark plate soaks up all that solar energy, kind of like a sponge for heat. That heat then gets transferred right into the water flowing through these copper tubes. Okay, so now that the water's hot, it starts its journey up toward the storage tank. The pipes are insulated so the water stays nice and hot on its way there. This tank is basically a giant thermos, keeping that water hot and ready for you. A thick layer of foam insulation surrounds the inner tank, locking all that heat inside. But what about on cloudy days? Well, the system has a pretty smart backup plan. A backup electric heater can kick on. That way you're never without hot water. Now, the way the water moves is actually really cool. It all comes down to basic physics. It's simple, really. Hot water is lighter, so it rises. Cooler water is heavier, so it sinks. This is what drives that hot water up from the collector and right into the tank. Meanwhile, the cooler water at the bottom of the tank flows back down to get heated. And just like that, you have a natural circulation loop that runs as long as the sun's out. So, when you turn on the tap, new cold water comes into the bottom of the tank. And the hottest water is always at the top, ready to flow straight to your shower. The whole thing is held up by a sturdy metal frame, angled perfectly to catch the sun. So, let's do a quick recap. Sunlight heats the panel, which heats the water, creating a natural loop. It's an efficient cycle that gives you hot water powered by a free and clean energy source. It's a simple, elegant system that brings the power of the sun right into our homes.